I will start when we're at 10K. In the meantime, and between time, call Andre Stefano Stevens for me.
We are sat down with Andrew while we build back the country, while we build back Jamaica. We are sat down with Andrew.
In the meantime, guys, in the meantime, tap up the screen and get me to 10K. Call Stefano for me, please. Call Andre Stefano Stevens, a.k.a. P. Diddy, a.k.a. P. Diddy, a.k.a. Baby Oil, a.k.a. Baby Oil. Stefano, when you just come off your live, and if we use the bathroom and go drink a water and come here, me I call you. Come here, Stefano. Come here, Stefano Stevens. Guys, before Stefano come, I know you not reach it. I know when you reach, come see me in the chat. Tap up the screen and get me to 10K. Good night, Lou. Comrades, good night. Please to share the live in the PNP WhatsApp group and let the comrades know that I am here. Please and thank you. Good night, Mark Golden. Good night, Mark Jefferson Golden. The highest paid politician in Jamaica. The man that has his assets hidden away in a foreign trust. The man that is supporting gay and homosexuality in Jamaica. Good night. Good night, Marky G. Good night to the PNP who want to legalize homosexuality in Jamaica. Good night. Good night to all the comrades. Tap up the screen and get me to 10K. Guys, good evening. Now, our Prime Minister, the Honorable Andrew Michael Holness, was on the campaign trail over the weekend. And guys, our Prime Minister gave us a clear mandate. And for those of you who weren't doing it in the first place, because I was always on the campaign trail, you know, our Prime Minister gave us a clear message, Paulo. We need to go out and we need to remind the young people of Jamaica of the atrocities of the People's National Party. We need to remind the country, Aisha, and we need to educate the Gen Z about the People's National Party. Yes, Chuck, because as the Prime Minister said, you have people like Mark Golden, Peter Bunting, Julian Robinson, Damian Crawford, who is acting as if they are brand new. And you have a man named Oral Tracy. Oral Tracy, come here. Because you just say yap. With Oral Tracy, we don't stick to your strength, which is sports commentating. You don't leave politics alone. In Oral Tracy, you talk about all Vegas and chat and what you are doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, Oral Tracy? What is the difference between what you are doing and what Vegas is doing? As a matter of fact, there's a big difference. Because at least Vegas attack truth and attack facts. You are talking political propaganda and political gimmickry. You are going to ask where Andrew Holness getting money from. Where you get your money from, Oral Tracy? Where Mark Golden get fee money from? What about PJ Patterson and Portia? Where they get for their money from? You just bad mind. You Oral Tracy just bad mind. I want to ask you a couple of questions, Oral Tracy. Oral Tracy, me know if your facts you're born from in the 1960s. Me have a couple of questions for you, Oral Tracy. Where were you in the 90s? When Omar Davis and Percival Noel James Patterson was wrecking the economy? Where were you, Oral Tracy? Where were you when Omar Davis was ballooning the debt? Where were you? Where were you, Oral Tracy, when Omar Davis said, "I could run with it and fix it back later"? Where were you? Where were you when Percival and Philip Palwell was selling JPS? Where was the outrage? In Oral Tracy? Where were you when PJ give way Air Jamaica to him friend and company for balloon the debt and for wreck it, and then he give it back to we the Jamaican people for pay the debt? Where were you? Where were you during the Shell waiver scandal, the Zing scandal, Trafigura, Outer Many? Where were you, Oral Tracy? Come in, know you're not just born in Oral Tracy. Me know you're not just born. All of a sudden now, you come now with your bag of nice past social media and want to tear down Andrew Holness and the JLP government. And what wrong with your Oral Tracy? What is wrong with you? And you are going to talk about how much you feel like you can speak on political things in the country. So does Vegas and so does we as well. And not because you have a louder mouth and a bigger platform, that does not stop us from talking, Oral Tracy. Where were you? Where were you when Omar Davis was wrecking the economy, Oral Tracy? Where were you when the light bulb scandal? Where were you? Where were you, Oral Tracy? You go like you just born. You go like you just born. You ask about how Andrew Holness making money. Where were you during DB&G and the sweetheart deal from Omar Davis? Where were you? Where were you during FinSac? Where were you during Cash Plus Oral Tracy? All of a sudden, you gonna be a platform now and I tear down the Andrew Holness administration with no proof and no facts. Just political gimmickry. I will not go and promise you, Oral Tracy. Come here. Come here, comrade Oral Tracy. I will not go and promise you. Because nothing when you speak is coming from a place of knowledge and a place of facts. Nothing that you speak, Oral Tracy. You're just a noise maker and a bully because you have a big platform on social media. You want to come bully people because you have a loud mouth. Where were you, Oral Tracy? Because you're not just born. You're not just born last week. You're not Gen Z. You're all cow. And you sat there with the 18 and a half years of PNP when PJ Patterson and Omar Davis was wrecking the economy. You sat there and said nothing. You sat there and said nothing, Oral Tracy. You sat there during Outer Many when Portia Simpson Mill and NHT board was selling Outer Many to their friend. You sat there. You sat there when PNP was running away with the debt. And when run with it, Omar Davis went to New York and borrowed money per high interest. You sat there and said nothing. Where were you? Where were you, Oral Tracy? Because you're not just born. Lego with shirt, Oral Tracy. Lego with shirt. You not have to support the Jamaican Labour Party, but what you're not going to do is disrespect we and tear down with Prime Minister. Lego with shirt. Lego with shirt, Papa. Me don't know where Mark Golden promised you. But we know where Andrew Holness promised the people of Jamaica. He promised with prosperity. He promised with lower debt. He promised with better livity. He promised with jobs for our young people. He promised with free health care and education for all. That is what Andrew Holness promised with. We don't know where Mark Golden promised you. We don't know where Mark Golden promised you, Oral Tracy. But Lego with shirt. Lego with shirt, Oral Tracy. You don't have to support the Andrew Holness government, but what you're not going to do is disrespect us and tear us down and put no dog in a green shirt. You're very out of order. You're very out of order. Wherever put your pit in them in a dog. You put your pit in them face pan dog. Wherever put your pit in them face pan, you're very out of order, Oral Tracy. I'm going to put me green shirt pan dog. Where do I put up your face pan a dog, World Tracy? You're bright. You're outer order. Where do I put your face pan a dog? Don't go put a dog in a green shirt because a dog in a green shirt that represent us. I don't know about the People's National Party, but a dog in a green shirt does not represent the Jamaica Labour Party member. You're bright. Because you have a big platform and you're a bully. You're a bully, Oral Tracy. You, Oral Tracy, is a bully. You want to come tell me, how did Angel Wellness make his money? How did Mark Golding make his money? You know that? Do you know how Mark Golding make his money? What about Peter Bunting? What about Philip Palwell? Eh? You never listen the commentary that was made about Philip Palwell by Simon Kraskell. Go and go listen it. I mean, I see your text said pan nobody in the PNP, like how every day you get upon a text said pan Andrew Holness and the Jamaica Labour Party. Look how we shirt and go, man. Look how we shirt and go, Oral Tracy. I mean, I don't know what Mark Golding promise you, but you nah go get it. You better stick to your 9 to 5. You better stick to your commentary job. Because you nah get the position that where Mark Jefferson Golding promise you. Because the Andrew Holness administration will get the 3rd term. I mean, your text said pan with so Oral Tracy. Make your text said pan the Jamaica Labour Party so not now going over the PNP. Eh? Nothing is going on in the PNP party, Oral Tracy. Eh? Not now going over PNP. Every day you get to put up Andrew Wellness. How did Andrew Wellness make his money? How you make your money? How you make your money, Oral Tracy? You're too outer order, man. You need to come down now. You need to come down now and Lego Andrew Wellness shirt and Oral Tracy. It's not funny no more. It's not funny no more. And then you have the audacity to come put dog in a green shirt. Where do I put your face on a dog? Eh? Where do I put your face on a dog, sir? Don't come disrespect we. Because our constitutional right to support any party what we want. It's our right. It is our right. It is in the Constitution. It is our right to support the Jamaica Labour Party if we want to. You don't have to put no dog in a green shirt to represent us. You could have put one picture and we done our conference and say JLP support. You could have do that. You don't have to put no dog in a green shirt and talk about with tribal. With tribal because we sick of you a tear down with party. Eh? With tribal because we sick of you a tear down with Prime Minister. So we don't have to say nothing. You know, me realize with Uno Tapanaris, Oral Tracy, people like you and people like the civil society group them and people like Dian Jackson Miller, anytime a member of the Jamaica Labour Party start to speak up and defend ourselves, Uno talk about with tribal, and we talk about we are tear down media, and we talk about with this and with that. Anytime the Jamaica Labour Party member them a defend we self, we always a come out and a try to spin it negatively. Only PNP alone can defend themselves. Only PNP have a right to defend themselves. The last time when the girls them come out and call Dayton Campbell name, Mark Golding run out and say he has a right to defend his good name. But we, our Jamaica Labour Party, don't have that same right. Me notice uno. Me notice uno, Oral Tracy. Jamaica Labour Party do not have the same right to defend ourselves. Anytime we run out. We don't soon put out information. They're attacking the press. They're attacking the press. They're attacking free speech. They're attacking anytime the Jamaica Labour Party government or the Jamaica Labour Party members come out and defend ourselves is a big problem. Only PNP can run out. Only Mark Golding can run out and defend Dayton Campbell. Only Market Mayor Matilda can come out and defend press. Where was the outrage up when the people shoot up NNN? Where was the outrage when the PNP people shoot up NNN? Eh? Where was the outrage when somebody up at the PNP headquarters tell the reporter, say, we will rape you? Where was the outrage? Where is the outrage when the PNP mayor said there is nothing wrong with unexplained wealth? Where was the outrage? But anytime a member of the Jamaica Labour Party come out and defend ourselves is a big problem. Only PNP and Israel alone have a right to defend themselves. Only if you are PNP and you come from Israel, that's the only persons have a right to defend themselves. But let me tell you some oral Tracy. Lego with shirt, Papa. Lego with shirt. Anything Mark Golding promise you that are between you and Mark Golding. Lego with shirt, Papa. You don't have to like Andrew Holness. Because in a band with no gold spoon in his mouth. Him no have no trust fund. Him band no board house. He no have no generational wealth like Mark Golding according to Uno. So I'm going to ask, where did Andrew Holness get his money from? Oral Tracy. Did you read the Contractor General report about DB&G and the sweetheart deal? Did you read that? Me never hear you come out come address that yet. Me never hear you Oral Tracy come out and address the DB&G Contractor General report. Never. Me never hear you come out and lick out on the PNP about selling JPS and putting Jamaican people in a monopoly where the company now charge with $millions for light. Me never hear that yet. Me never hear you talk about outer many. Where goat and yam grass down outer many under the People's National Party. Me never hear you talk about that. Me never hear you talk about Trillani multi-purpose stadium that was built under the People's National Party. Where down there like a big white elephant. Me never hear you talk about that. Me never hear you talk about the big ball where PJ buy in the 1998 World Cup with over France for much $millions where we can't even touch. Me never hear you talk about that. But every single day you get up and a lick for Andrew, and I tell lie upon the man and I tell lie upon Jamaica Labour Party. Let go with shirt and go, man. Abuse ya look. Where the go, man. Leg out with shirt. And you can't tell we not to talk. Because you have a bigger platform than we. You're going to talk about, the tribal politics and the tribalists of the Jamaica Labour Party. All because we are defending ourselves. We tribalists. All because we're defending ourselves, we are tribalists. So we don't have no right to speak. You can't put dog in a green shirt and we say, it's funny. No, it is not. No, it is not. You're too out of order. You're too out of order, Oral Tracy. And you need to come down now. You need to come down now. You don't have to support the Jamaica Labour Party. You don't have to support Andrew Holness. But what you're not going to do is sit on your big platform and disrespect us and think we're going to just a joke him a make. Him a comedian. We not find it funny. We don't find it funny. You can criticize. Is your right. Because be a propaganda and lie you tell on your platform. Be a propaganda and lie. Me never hear you talk about Melissa Silveira yet. And Melissa Silveira kids them. You not check up on them. Eh? You not check up on Melissa Silveira kids them. You not concerned about them. Me never hear you talk about that yet. Me never hear you ask Mark Golding if Joel and Silveira is still a member of the People's National Party. Me never hear you answer that yet. When the PNP mayor went on a public platform and big up a Dan, you don't say nothing about that. You said nothing about that. But every single day, you get up and you yap, Andrew. Let me tell you something. I don't even think you vote. People like you just love talk and not vote. Because I put it to you, World Trace, I bet you don't vote. I bet you're not a voter. You just love to talk. Your one little vote can't stop Andrew Holness from winning the third term. And you're free, as I said before, you're free to have your podcast or your YouTube channel. You're free to have your own opinion. You're free to that agree with the party. But you need to watch what you're saying about us, the members of the Jamaica Labour Party. Not put me in and put no dog in and a green shirt and say it represent us. It does not. You could have found a million more pitch stuff to say it represent us, the Jamaica Labour Party. You didn't have to put no dog in a green shirt. You're too out of order. You're too rank. And because you is a bully and you have a big platform, that's why you do that. You want to come silence we. And I'll talk about oh, Vegas this and Vegas that and Vegas a labor right. So what if Vegas a labor right? You never hear when time bourgeois tear down Andrew Holness. You never come out when bourgeois tear down Andrew Holness and a spread be a political gimmickry and be a lie for Andrew Holness. You never come out. You notice how bourgeois quiet now? You notice how bourgeois bantan stop lick out pan gay people? When last time you hear bourgeois bantan lick out pan gay people? Tell me. Tell me when last time you hear bourgeois bantan make a video and lick out pan gay people? I bet him. I bet bourgeois bantan make a video over Canada when they and talk on bad about gay people if him bad. You so quick he climb up in a little shell because he know what time it is. He know what time it is. Look how much artists come out for the PNP. Cartel up on stage. And you don't have nothing to say about that. You don't have nothing to say about cartel on the PNP stage and the hypocrisy of the People's National Party. Remember, Bunting did say cartel is a dan and cartel gang responsible for much murder and cartel is leading the people astray now. And you see the same PNP come back now and a hug up cartel. You don't see that we talk about. You say you're a political commentator. You don't see that. That's not trending news because according to you, Oral Tracy, you speak on trending topics. That not trend. That not trend, Oral Tracy. The fact that cartel went on a PNP platform. The same cartel where Bunting bring down and tear down and talk the things them about. The same cartel is now on PNP platform. That is not a trending topic for you. That is not a trending topic for you, Oral Tracy. But you have a big platform and I talk about Andrew, and have the audacity to ask about where Andrew Holness getting money from. Allow the man alone. Me sure you don't hear nobody a ball of a thief and for losses for Andrew Holness. And no matter how you dig up and you scrutinize and you look, there is no evidence of no illicit enrichment from Andrew Michael Holness. That is one thing me sure of. There is no evidence of Andrew Michael Holness illicit enriched himself and taxpayer money. So you know if you ask about where the man making money from, you don't miss none. You don't thief none from you. You're too out of order. All because Andrew Holness is a black man and a poor man and come from poor family background. You're going to ask about where Andrew Holness making money. You miss any money? You miss any money from you see police a walk with him, Oral Tracy? You see police a walk with the Prime Minister? You see police a walk with the Prime Minister or you see warrant out for him arrest? You're going to ask about where Andrew Holness making money from. Who asks where you make your money from? Did you read the Contractor General report about DB&G, Oral Tracy? Look here, Oral Tracy. Let me tell you something. Lego with shirt, man. Lego with shirt. We not trouble you. We not business with you if you want to criticize, you want to tear down and bring down. But you're not going to put Jamaica Labour Party members in a category as the dog. We are not dog. That is very, 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 very disrespectful. And you're going to say, oh, you never call when a dog. But you put a dog in a green shirt and you say this represent the tribalistic Jamaica Labour Party members. And we talk, we're not idiots, we're not duns. We're not bad with mama gonna market. Lego with shirt, brother. And go on over your party. If you want to support Mark Golding, go and go support Mark Golding. Because Mark Golding did say, when he win, a bunch of tapanaris and him are going to rule the country. So if you want a tapanaris, go. We're not busy with your go on. But low and Holness alone, man. You can't keep a good man down. You never go on your platform and talk about the... Let me show you how you World Tracy bias and hypocritical. You never go on your platform and talk about no policy. No good policies of the Andrew Holness administration. And you're going to talk about you a political commentator. Never. Over 500,000 Jamaicans set to benefit from the $20,000 give back from the government. You not talk about that. Over 300 JUTC buses coming out of the country. You not talk about that. Over $1 billion add to the PAD program. You not talk about that. Scholarships after scholarships for children. You not talk about that. NHF. How much new medication gone pan it? How much people are getting medication for way lesser than under the PNP? You not talk about that. The Jamaica Labour Party since 2016 has paid down the debt. You not talk about that. But anything negative, you Oral Tracy, and that you promote. Anything negative, that is what you promote. I mean, I know where Mark Golding promise you. But you better make sure you collect. You better make sure you get it in writing, because remember Karen Cross say Peter Phillips promised Andrea Moore Senate seat if she turn over the Portland seat to Damian Crawford. And after Damian Crawford lose the seat, she no better get the Senate seat. So whatever Mark Golding promise you, you better get it in writing. Whatever Mark Jefferson Golding promise you, Oral Tracy, you better get it in writing. Because the PNP is not known to keep their word. Go ask Andrea Moore husband. The PNP is not known to keep their word. Ask Andrea Moore husband. Because according to Karen Cross, when Andrea Moore over in Portland and work up her body and I say she go run for the seat, Peter Phillips call her and trick her and tell her, say, give Damian Crawford the seat, man. We're going to put you in the Senate. And as soon as Damian Crawford lose the seat, she no better get the Senate seat. So if I Senate seat, Mark Golding promise you, you better get it in writing. Because you must get something. You must get promised something. If you tear down the governments and tear down the country, so and you can't post that even one positive news, Oral Tracy. So you tell me, say, nothing now go on in the country where you see it, Oral Tracy. Absolutely nothing is going on in this country that you can report on positively, Oral Tracy. I lie you a tell. I lie you a tell, Oral Tracy. You are just a bring down agent. You are tear down agent. That is what you are. And you do anything for views. Because you know say negativity sell. That is the reason why you pay a platform every day and you be a negative things you spread. Because you know negativity spread. Let go with shirt, man. Let go with shirt. We don't want to like from you. And you Jamaica Labour Party people, we don't need to stop support Oral Tracy platform. If you don't subscribe, I tell you already, you know, I don't know how to do it, you know. Because it's any weapon who rise against Andrew Michael Holness, me and them are no friend, I could have my mama. And once me see Oral Tracy gone away there, me just quickly unsubscribe so me stay. We don't need to watch him. Make him PNP people, man, people who want to watch him. We don't need to subscribe. To kind of tear down the government and tear down Andrew Holness with be a propaganda and be a misinformation. Nothing where Oral Tracy put out his facts. He don't do no research. He just take up the Gleaner and read the headline and run go turn on his phone and carry and make propaganda. That's all Oral Tracy do. Read the headline of the Gleaner, turn on his phone and post propaganda and look views. Nothing else. You go ask where Andrew Holness make him. What you mean by the man that work for him at 18-year-old? What do you mean where the man make him money from? What you mean? The man has been working all his life. What you mean where the man get his money from? All because Andrew Holness never born with no trust fund. All because Andrew Holness never born with no trust fund like Mark Jefferson Golding. Look here, Mark Jefferson Golding Company is investing 20 million US dollar over Bahamas. I mean, hear Oral Tracy talk about that. Me not hear Oral Tracy and lick out against that and I ask Mark Golding, how comes you are investing in Bahamas when the people of Jamaica would have loved that investment? Nothing from you, Oral Tracy. Nothing from you. Imagine that. Mark Jefferson Golding Company. Mark Jefferson Golding Company is investing 20 million US dollar in Bahamas for low income housing. You know see that, Oral Tracy? You know see that? Eh? But you go ask about where Andrew Holness getting money from. When you have no evidence of Andrew Holness taking nobody money. Uno looking at every single thing. Uno send for overseas help. Uno send for overseas help. The last time when the government of Jamaica wanted to pass the law for the young people, them youths, them 18 and up, to get life imprisonment when they kill somebody, the whole of them run out. The whole of them run out pan Chuck and run out pan the Andrew Holness. Oh, it is you inhumane. Oh, people, what about rehabilitation? We need to give them a second chance. Well, we don't go and go read Barbados today. We don't go and go read the article in a Barbados today. An 18-year-old got life imprisonment for shooting somebody and kill them. Bahamas, where the PNP loves so, not Bahamas, Barbados, sorry. Barbados, where the PNP loves so much. Me and Matley, where the PNP worship. You know, go and go read it, don't take my word. Because I notice when I come on this platform and I talk anything, you know, love to say, oh, Munchie, I lie, you I tell. Go and read it. Go and read it, comrade. Go and read it, Oral Tracy. Go and read it in Barbados today. In Barbados today, a 18-year-old boy shot and killed somebody and he got life imprisonment. In our parole until 30 years after. And when Andrew Holness government wanted to pass that strong measure and that strong law, that you, the PNP and Oral Tracy and the civil society group come out and say, no, it inhumane, it too harsh. I saw no steer. And you, Oral Tracy, you not see that. You, Oral Tracy, you not see that. You no go and go read it. Because you know me not tell you nothing about facts over here. Go and read it. Life imprisonment, Tyrese. Life imprisonment, the 18-year-old in Barbados got. Because he shot and killed someone when he was 18 years old. And when Delroy Chuck tried to pass this bill, the People's National Party under Mark Jefferson Golding, the criminal national party, the party we believe in a crime and criminality and scamming, said no, it is inhumane. And what about rehabilitation? And it is too harsh. You don't say nothing about that. Me no you know said nothing about that. Me like to read news where go on in the Caribbean, you know. Because me know say the PNP, as the Prime Minister say, the PNP take over so much establishment in Jamaica. Remember Aluna Samba say it, you know. We form these committees, but they only call committees. But we make sure to put people in every single agency and every single department. Everywhere you turn in Jamaica, PNP take it over and indoctrinate the people them in a PNP-ism, according to the Prime Minister. PNP-ism. And you, Oral Tracy, with your big mouth and your big platform, every single day, you turn on your platform and all you do is spread propaganda, misinformation and lies. That's all you do. You don't do research. You don't work with facts. You don't work with facts. Anything for views. Anything for view you talk about Vegas. What is Vegas doing that nobody else is doing? Vegas is a Jamaican. He have a right to support any party he wants. He has this, that is his right. Same like you Oral Tracy is supporting the People's National Party under Mark Jefferson Golding. So can he. What the problem? What the problem? You're vexed because he call you out with your bullshit. You're vexed because he call you out with the propaganda. You're vexed because he call you out with your lies. I don't even think you, Oral Tracy, read the IC report. You don't read it. You don't read it. All you do was read the headline of the Gleaner. Where is the outrage for the PNP who want to legalize homosexuality in this country? Where is the outrage? Eh? Where is the outrage? See Mark Golding, Peter Bunting, Dayton Campbell, Angela Brown Burke, with a name, he said happy anniversary to a gay man in Jamaica. Where are you, Oral Tracy? Where is your opinion on that? Where is your opinion on that, Oral Tracy? The head of the People's National Party is sending happy anniversary to a gay couple in Jamaica. Where is your opinion on that? You know nothing to say. Can't get your tongue. Okay. So homosexuality is illegal in Jamaica. But the leader of the People's National Party, the comrade leader, the highest paid politician in the country, is sending happy anniversary to a gay couple in Jamaica, and you have nothing to say about that. You Oral Tracy? But a Labour Party you had for. A Labour government you had for. The mayor of Manchester is saying that nothing is wrong with unexplained wealth. You have nothing to say about that. The mayor of Manchester went on a political platform and said that big skank damn the Dan. You have nothing to say about that. But the Andrew Holness you had for. Eh? You're not no political commentator, Oral Tracy. You are no political commentator. You are a PNP advocate. That is what you are. You are PNP advocate. You are a supporter of the People's National Party. You're a fake news. Your platform is Fox News. You are Sean. Matter of fact, you're worse than Sean Hannity. You are Tucker Carlson. You, Oral Tracy, you are Tucker Carlson. You operate under propaganda, fake news, false news. That is your MO. That is you, Oral Tracy. You, Oral Tracy. You're a propagandist. You work with conspiracy theories. That is you. You don't know you and truth no walk hand in hand. You and facts no work hand in hand. Everything for your platform is misinformation and false news. Nothing is based on facts. Nothing is based on facts. You Oral Tracy. I don't care if him have more influence than me, comrade. The man have more influence, but that is why you. Yes, that is why King Natty Dread's son. Thank you for saying that. That is why he's on his big platform misleading the people of Jamaica. Thank you for saying that, King. So because him have a bigger platform and more influence, that is why he must misinform and mislead the people of Jamaica. Yes. Thank you for saying that. Well, me go stay on my little platform, King, with me 200 people, and me go talk my story. Me go talk about for me 200 people on my platform, and me go talk to me little 200 people. It's okay. It's okay. Me not have to have a big platform that like him. But I go work with the little platform I have and do my little thing. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So because him have a big platform, King, he must go upon him platform and tear down people. And tear down Jamaica Labour Party supporter. And put dog in a green shirt and say, this is the Jamaica Labour Party tribalistic members. Really? Well, let me stay upon my little platform. Yes, little is much when God is in it. Don't worry yourself. The Bible says where one or two are gathered and witnessing, we touch it and bless it. So it's okay. Leave me on my little platform. Leave me on my little platform, King. Go on over for him big platform. Now, you Mark Jefferson Golden. Anybody hear from Mark Golden from morning? I don't hear from Mark Golden from morning. Over the weekend in quiet. You know, come out and keep the press conference this morning and tell the people of Jamaica when did he knew that that a senior member of his administration was under investigation for illicit enrichment. How many Mark Golden? Come here. Comrades, you call Mark Jefferson Golden for me and tap up the live and get me to 100K quick and fast. In there still, when they still them do carry him a Jamaican shirt? Care, type in the chat and tell me if Mark Golden they have a Jamaican shirt in the upper stadium there, please. And thanks. Because I don't want a Jamaican shirt, you know, if you have a brand new shirt that you have. Hear that? Kerry said no. Jesus Christ. I don't know how Mark Jefferson Golden want to become the Prime Minister of this country. I don't have no black, green and gold shirt. You never see me die in trial? You never see me die in trial, Orlando? Mark Jefferson Golden wants to be the Prime Minister of this country, and Mark Golden don't have a black, green and gold shirt. Eh? Jesus. Hey, Mark Golden, you're unpatriotic, you know, brother? The way Mark Golden mean and tight. The way Mark Jefferson Golden mean and tight, comrade. You will not even say me can go up on the Adidas website and buy one Jamaican shirt and support the government and support the team. Oh my God. In comrade? The way Mark Jefferson Golden mean and tight, King. Mark Golden not even say me can go on the Adidas website and buy one reggae boy shirt. Oh, you mean so Mark Golden? Oh, you so tight. They don't what color shirt you have on labor rights? You have here there. Jesus, God mercy, you have a blue shirt and do rust color. Oh my God, Mark Golden, you're very, very unpatriotic, brother. You, Mark Golden, you are very, very unpatriotic. You don't love Jamaica. You don't love this country of which you want to serve. You don't love this country of which you want to be the Prime Minister of. Mark Golden, you tell me, say, you couldn't go up on the website and buy one reggae boy shirt for your go stadium tonight? Eh? You never, ever, ever dress properly when you go stadium yet. Mark Golden? Mark Golden, why you so despicable, brother? Why you so untidy? Why you so chaka? You never, every single time when the British man go to the stadium, he never dress properly. Eh? We gonna see them in a blue shirt for Mark Golden? Eh? Where you gonna see them in a blue shirt and you know Honduras color is blue? Marcia, uno shame. Uno shame. Imagine the reggae boys is playing against Honduras. Honduras national color is blue and white. Jamaica color is black, green and gold. And you want to tell me, say, comrades, tap up the screen and get me to 100K. Comrades, you want to tell me, say, Mark Golden couldn't go on the website and buy one reggae boy shirt? Eh? In comrades? You don't want to tell me say Mark Jefferson Golden couldn't go on the Adidas website and buy a Jamaican shirt? Oh, Mark Golden is unpatriotic. You don't know say Mark Golden don't own a black, green and gold shirt though. Because if you look August 6 when Mark Golden go Independence Gala, he don't have on a shirt. He might go football match, he don't have on a shirt. Mark Golden don't own a Jamaican shirt. How disgraceful. Eh? How disgraceful, Mark Golden. Eh? You couldn't buy one, you couldn't support the reggae boys in a proper shirt. Eh, Mark Golden? You gonna see them in a blue shirt. You never know say Honduras color blue. My God. Shameful. Disgraceful. Now, I was expecting Mark Jefferson Golden, comrades, to keep a press conference this morning. Because normally, Mark Golden, Peter Bunting, Dayton Campbell, Scott Matley, and the Walking Dead in the nursing home would have run out and keep press conference. So this morning, me I look through social media and me I look to see if Mark Golden can a press conference. Because you, Mark Jefferson Golden, you need to keep a press conference and tell the people of Jamaica, when did you know that a senior member of your administration is under investigation for illicit enrichment? You need to tell the people. Did you deliberately lie to the people of Jamaica, Mark Jefferson Golden? We, the people of Jamaica, want to know. Because you went around the country and you tell the people of Jamaica that nobody from the PNP was under investigation and nobody from the PNP is among the illicit yet. Turn out that 2 of your members, and I put it to you guys, more of them is PNP. As a matter of fact, 5 of them is PNP. 5 members of the People's National Party under Mark Jefferson Golden is under investigation for illicit enrichment. 5 members of the Mark Golden-led PNP is under investigation for illicit enrichment. 5 members, Dalifias. 5 of them. We find 2, 3 more to go. 3 more to go. Yes. And we, the people of Jamaica, is asking Mark Jefferson Golden, when did you find out? When did you know? Because you go around the country and you told the people of Jamaica that no member of your administration was under investigation. Turns out that you lied to the people of Jamaica. Eh? So we need to bring a no confidence motion to Parliament, guys. I am calling on my government to move a no confidence bill motion in the Parliament on Tuesday. To remove Mark Golden. To remove, because we have the majority, you know. We have the majority, Claudette. We have the majority. We need to remove Mark Golden and Michael Phillips from our Parliament. We need to remove Mark Jefferson Golden because they need to come out and tell the people of Jamaica, when did he know that a senior member of his administration was under investigation for illicit enrichment? And we need to bring that no confidence motion to Parliament to remove Mark Jefferson Golden, who is the highest paid politician of the country, and we're not getting value for money from Mark Golden. I am calling on Edmund Bartlett. I am calling on Delroy Chuck, Babsy Grange. We need, and if you don't want to bring it to make a black backbencher, bring it. We need to bring that no confidence motion to the Parliament to remove Mark Jefferson Golden. Because he's the highest paid politician in the country, and turn out that he misled the people of Jamaica. And we also need to hold Mark Golden accountable because he know the law of the land and he is publicly supporting homosexuality in our country. Mark Jefferson Golding, who know the law like the back of his hand, is publicly promoting and supporting homosexuality in the country. So we need to hold him accountable. And we have the majority. We can bring that motion. We can pass it and remove him, Jonathan. Yes, we can do it, Scare. Because turns out Mark Jefferson Golding misled the people. When did you find out Mark Golding? Mark Jefferson Golding. Mark Jefferson Golding. When did you find out that a senior member of your administration is under investigation for illicit enrichment? When? We, the people of Jamaica, we need answers. I mean, expect you to call a press conference this morning. Why didn't you? When am I going to wake up KD night out in casket? Eh? Why didn't you go and wake up KD night and you Andre Stefano Stevens? You all in the wall, Andre Stefano Stevens. You all in the wall because Queenie give me a new slang for you, because Queenie say Shibada is a hole in the wall. I not gonna away. You too, Andre Stefano Stevens, the hole in the wall because you're not gonna away. Me see you on your platform, I go talk. Let me tell you something, Andre. You tell Andre this. Darrell Vaz is the wrong man. You're supposed to know that. You're supposed to know so you must tread lightly. You're supposed to know you must tread lightly with Darrell Vaz. Okay? Right now, you need for Darrell Vaz need to change from Darrell Vaz and Mr. Portland to lawsuit boss. You hear me tell you? Darrell Vaz need to change now from Mr. Portland to lawsuit boss. You need to tread softly. Because remember, you say you're not bad and mad again, Remember, you say you're not bad and mad again. And you can stand before the court of law and defend whatever you say. Remember you said that. So you better tread softly. You say bongo tie, no pull it. You hear me, Stefano? Bongo tie, no pull it. You hear me, I warn you? You hear me, I warn you, Stefano? All in the wall. All in the wall. All in the wall, Stefano Stevens. P. Diddy, what's up? Baby oil. You say bongo tie, no lose it. Bongo tie, no lose it. Don't even walk on the same side with Darrell Vaz walk. You hear me I tell you? Don't go there. Don't go there. You each up in your one room like a hole in the wall. You each up in your one room like a hole in the wall. Over 6 months now that shit up in your bed like a hole in the wall. Don't you trouble Zion. You hear me tell you? Because Isaac Buchanan can't save you. Isaac Buchanan can't save you. Make sure warn you. With your twin bed. Your curtain sheet, your curtain, your strainer sheet, your strainer curtain. And your little baby side table. All in the wall. All in the wall, Stefano. All in the wall. I'm here, you talk to your platform about pastor this and pastor that. Andre, you forgot you that work over your Andre, you forgot to your Obia man. If you got to your burn candle and run up rubber frankincense and myrrh. Remember say we ain't come out and expose you, you know. Remember we ain't come out and expose you. See you rapid with frankincense and myrrh and a burn candle, you know. And I put people name in a freezer, you know. You don't even talk about no pastor. You don't even talk about no pastor. You don't even talk about no pastor, P. Diddy. P. Diddy. You don't even talk about, you don't even criticize no pastor. You don't even talk about no pastor at all because remember, P. Diddy, say you're Obia man. Remember you burn candle and rub up with frankincense and myrrh, you know. Remember you put Juliet and Andrew name in a freezer how much years now and you realize, because you realize say no weapon will form against them shall prosper because them blessed and highly favored and covered. It not work. Go take out the name out of your freezer because it not work. Remember you know PDD. So you don't need to criticize no pastor. Because remember you're an Obia man. Remember, you is a Obia man, Stefano. Remember, you don't walk in a righteousness. Remember, you don't walk in a righteousness. Remember, you mix up in a iniquity. That's why the woman did lash your ass around a Ravina. That's why the woman did lash your ass the last time. And that's why your mama show you in a Schumacher gully. Remember, Stefano. Remember, Stefano, remember, you mix up in our skullduggery and iniquity and you burn candle and wrap your head with seasoned salt and everything. Remember. You forgot? You forgot so when they come out con disgrace you Obia man? Obia boy, the only problem is that when you work Obia, when you work your little ritual them, they don't come out to nothing good because you're Obia weak. You're Obia weak. Remember. So you don't need to criticize no pastor. And leg out the pastor shirt because when you never did criticize Mark Stewart and Peter Chambers when they scam people. You never that criticize Mark Stewart and Peter Chambers when them did say them a win soul. So all this a pastor, you know, I preach about false prophet. Oh, false prophet. Your bishop, when you go to our church every Sunday, she a false prophet. Your bishop in a long white gown, she a false prophet. Love the pastor, and if the pastor want support Andrew Holness, make him support Andrew Holness. And if the pastor wants Andrew Holness must reach, Andrew Holness supposed to reach because in work. Andrew Michael Holness supposed to have money because in work. He sweat off him bro, make him a eat bread. Andrew supposed to have money because him a work, he not sell batty, he not scam. Him a work, he supposed to have money. And Andrew make you suffer from Mali gripe and fluxy complain. So the pastor wants to support the prime minister. Leave him alone. It is his right. It is his right. Our prime minister supposed to rich. We don't want a poor prime minister. PJ was rotten rich. How PJ making money? How did PJ became rich? Portia Simpson was rotten rich. How did Portia Simpson made his money? Mark Jefferson Golding got rich thanks to the policies of Omar Davis. You never don't see about that. But all of a sudden, we don't have a problem about Andrew. The prime minister supposed to rich. We prime minister supposed to have money. We prime minister supposed to invest in money and flip in money and get wealth for his kids them. We prime minister supposed to have generational wealth to pass down to his two boys. Juliet Holness supposed to have assets and she's supposed to rich. She go to school. She have her education. She invests her money. She's supposed to rich. And she make nobody not rich. She go to school and she taking her education. She never name her name Pambula. She supposed to reach. You, Andre Stefano Stevens, you dey on Facebook for over 4 years now, and nobody make you not rich. And no Andrew make you not rich. And no Juliet make you not rich. And no the pastor make you not rich. And not even Mark Golden make you not rich. And because you are too cocky partner and now get no draw, make you not rich. Talk about that. But we talk about that. And nobody make you not rich. And because you are too cocky partner and you're not getting any draw. That is the reason why you're poor and pauperized and don't have no account. That is the reason why you walk but you tend to them. That is the reason why you sleep on a twin bed there. After 4 years on Facebook. How much money everybody else missing rich on Facebook and I live somewhere and I drive a car except you. Because you are too cocky partner and you're not getting any draw. Lego Andrew shirt. Lego Andrew shirt, Andre Stefano Stevens. And go focus. Go and go focus on your generational wealth. Go and go focus on yourself. And you match Jefferson Golden. Back to you, because I'm not done with you yet. I expected you to come out and tell the people of Jamaica when you find out that a senior member of your party was under investigation and is still under investigation for illicit enrichment. Because you, Mark Jefferson Golden, you told the people of Jamaica that you are new and different. As a matter of fact, you told the people of Jamaica that you are going to pass a law to expel anybody that is charged for illicit enrichment. Me expect you to expel this member. Where are we, Pan? What you see, you, Mark Golden, and the PNP, you guys are hypocrite. And as the Prime Minister said, we need to remind the people of Jamaica about the past atrocities of the People's National Party. We need to remind the people of Jamaica how Percival Noel James Patterson and one Omar Davis wrecked the economy. They sold off every state asset. They went to New York and then borrow money and high interest rate, and they took that money and they lined their pockets. They sold JPS to a company for 300 million US dollars and they did not spend a dime in the country. We need to tell the people of Jamaica that under Percival Noel James Patterson, according to one Ronnie Tweet, the PNP presides over the greatest transfer of wealth from the poor class to the rich. Under Percival, they bankrupt the economy, they thin sack the country, then take for poor people and business people house. Over 40,000 people lost their businesses under the People's National Party led by one Percival Noel James Patterson. Look here. Anybody know the beach where they are St. Anne's Beach? It used to name Turtle Tower Beach. What a beach they name now? Who know that beach there? What made them labor right them there? What the beach when you name Turtle Tower Beach? What it name now, guys? Who know that beach there when you name Turtle Tower Beach? Check type in the chat comment and tell me if you don't know that beach there. Bashi, you don't know that beach there where they are St. Anne's Bay where you used to name Turtle Tower Beach? You don't know, say. From in the 70s, me I get to understand. Say people are pay for going to that beach. In Bashi, Did you know, I want to do no research, because you see the PNP under Mark Jefferson Golden would want us to believe that they're brand new. Did you know that it was from in the 70s, people was paying to go to that beach, Paulo? Paulo, did you know that it was from in the 70s under PNP? As a matter of fact, the People's National Party was the one who brought legislation to the parliament to start charging Jamaican people to go in at the beach them. They said they use the money to build up the beach them. You know what they do? Then turn around and privatize the beach them. I know me live to see people like Mark Jefferson Golden, they on political platform and talk about, oh, when we form government, we're going to make more public beach for Jamaican people. Really? Me live to see Mark Jefferson Golden on a political platform saying that when he form government, he's gonna make more public beaches for Jamaican people. When I from in the 1970s, Jamaican people appear to go to Turtle Tower Beach under the People's National Party. Veronica? From in the 70s, people appear to go up on beach. Under PNP, they were the one that passed the law. Joy, the People's National Party was the one who brought the legislation to Parliament to start charging Jamaican people to use the beaches. So they're going to use the money and provide facilities for the people. They didn't do that. They used the money and do other things and privatize the beaches. That is what they did. I live to see Mark Golden David. Me live to see Mark Jefferson Golden on a political platform telling the people of Jamaica about, oh, when we form government, we're going to have more public beaches. Remember, the PNP sell every single beachfront down on the North Coast, you know. Remember, every single beachfront property were built under the People's National Party. And the PNP make them sign a contract where they take 80% of the profit out of Jamaica under the People's National Party. The PNP signed contract with the hoteliers so that they can only work what the Jamaican people can do is to serve food and work in the kitchen under the People's National Party. Remember KMT. When the PNP, when the people come, the private sector come in to come build the hotel, the PNP signed contract with them. So the only work what the Jamaicans can do is serve food, clean bathroom, working at the kitchen, Diego. They never send the people in Jamaica and say, go and go learn Spanish. So they can work in the management department. They never send the people of Jamaica. And all of the Spanish hotels in Jamaica, no Jamaican now work in upper management because of the People's National Party. That is the policy of Percival and Omar Davis. They were so desperate for money that they sold JPS to a man that had a bankrupt country in America, and within 3 years the man triple time in money and sell back JPS to somebody else under the People's National Party. So when you hear Mark Golden is coming out to telling you about, oh, when he formed government, where was he in a Porsche time when Porsche and Big Back, where Big Back man when I said it name, Big Back Cassie Lambert Brown was buying out of money with taxpayer money. Where was Mark Golden? Where was Mark Golden? They don't have no plan. The PNP don't have any plan, low. And that Porsche time, Under Portia time, the PNP-led government bought out a many from Lenny Lickle White for millions of dollars with the NHT money. Uno go down out a many, go look what go on down there now. Go to out, will not drive past down a Trelawney, uno go down out a many and go look what go on down there now. Nothing. 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 Under Percival James Pattison, a private company came to Jamaica and built a hotel and thief one Waller Beach. You remember? You remember the beach scandal? You remember under PNP? One hotel down Montego Bay thief one Waller Beach. Enjoy. Joy, the land is there. What can be done on the land, Joy? Joy, have you ever been to Outer Many? Comrade Joy, have you ever been to Outer Many? Nothing can build on Outer Many land. Nothing cannot build on Outer Many rocky land. Nothing. That's a waste. So don't tell me about the land is still there. That's garbage. That is a waste. A sound of PNP still. Excuses. Go over there, go look on the land, Joy. Nothing can build on the land. Nothing can, you know, much time the government bring people to try to see what they can do to it. Nothing can do to it. Nothing. And Percival Noel James Pattison sold under PNP every beachfront property, every hotel that was built under PNP. They gave them a contract so that they not to bring no Jamaican can't get no work. Only work Jamaican can do in the hotel, work in the kitchen and in the bathroom. No more work. We not qualify for under the People's National Party. Under PNP Parlet, under Percival, they made it impossible for young people to get a skill. They made it impossible for young people to get a skill. If you even trying to go to heart, you have to do a test. And if you don't pass the test, dog, nyam your supper. And if you pass the test, you can only do level 1. Any other levels, you have to pay under the People's National Party. Yes. Under Portia and PJ. Under Portia Simpson Miller and Angela Brown Burke, Chinese people used to could have work you from 7 to 7 and give you minimum wage. You never have nobody to report to. Under Portia Simpson Miller. Under Percival. No, Chinese wholesale can't get no worker. Nobody now stay in a Chinese place more than 1 week. And no Chinese, as a matter of fact, no Chinese wholesale in Jamaica now pay minimum wage. I mean now ask. Me know people who work there. I do my survey. Me just come on platform contact nonsense. I did my survey. Under Andrew Holness government, Rose McCullough, no Chinese wholesale cannot pay nobody no minimum wage again. They have to put something on that. Under PNP and Angela Brown Burke, then tax and cat. Then tax tear free. Then tax panty liner. Then tax condom. Then make birth control pill expensive. Then tax pampas. Under the People's National Party. Then tax and cart. Under the People's National Party, you have to pay money for use public bathroom because the bathroom was so deplorable and nasty. Under the People's National Party. So when you hear the Prime Minister say we need to remind the young people of this country of the atrocities of the People's National Party, that is what the Prime Minister is talking about. Under the People's National Party, basic school teacher couldn't survive. Basic school teacher couldn't buy sugar. I'm a legacy under Andrew Michael Holness. All of the basic school teacher can go hard and get themselves certified and get pay from the Ministry of Education. Who could it be but Andrew Michael Holness, comrades? Who could it be but Andrew Michael Holness, Joy? Under the PNP, basic school teacher couldn't survive. When you go to basic school, all of my teacher fi sing. Clap your tiny hands, clap your tiny hands. Jesus. Then little song there. Because they're not trained properly. They're not trained properly, Joy. And under Andrew Michael Holness, Joy, the basic school teachers, the kindergarten teachers can go to art and get them certification. And once the school is certified, the Ministry of Education will give those teachers a salary. Those are the policies of the Andrew Michael Holness government. Those are the policies of the Andrew Michael Holness government. Under PNP, primary school teacher couldn't buy a car. Under PNP, primary school teacher couldn't make house. Under PNP, Joy, primary school teacher couldn't build house or get house through housing trust. And under Andrew Michael Holness, me see the PNP teacher them, the bad mind, ungrateful PNP teacher them, full up the schoolyard with so much car. Under Andrew Holness, under PNP they get a wage freeze. Under Peter Phillips they got a wage freeze. Under Peter Phillips, Damian Crawford tell them him prefer to take a haircut than a pay cut. These are the good policies of the Andrew Holness government, Rose. Under PNP, every single rural school have dropped both. Under PNP, every single rural school have dropped both. And rusty drinking water in a black rusty tank. Follow me no man, comrades. Follow me no man, comrades. Under PNP, every single rural schools have dropped both toilet and drinking water in a rusty tank. Comrades, tell me which school you go and see that I go on now. Tell me which school you go and see poor people pitney I drink water out a rusty pipe. Tell me. Tell me, comrades, which rural school, as a matter of fact, people now make them pitney drink pipe water again under Andrew Holness government. Under Andrew Holness government, comrades, poor people pitney now drink pipe water. Under Andrew Holness government, poor people pitney carry bottled water gas school. That is because Andrew Holness teach you ambition, teach you upliftment and standard of living. Under PNP, they don't believe in those things. Under PNP, they do not believe in those things. You don't remember where they went school for open? Oh, Damian Crawford and the PNP roll out and say, the school them now open, because the school them not ready. Look how the government of Jamaica and the Andrew Michael Holness Shiamono. Every school was promptly open. Every school under Andrew Holness government. And when the Prime Minister said we should remind the people of Jamaica, labor rights, of the atrocities of the PNP, these are the things he's talking about. Under PNP, during Percival Noel James Patterson, you see people are breed up. People are breed up because people not have no job. People not have no future. People not have no up. Miss one comrade type in a chat and say, under PNP, people used to have enough baby. You saw them not no ambition? Telling about them? Me telling about them, guys? Me see Comrade Joy type in the chat and say, under PNP, people used to breed up. Comrade Joy, come here. You know why people used to breed up so much under PNP? Because Satan find work the eyeglass video. And you see, because people never have no job, people never have no opportunity, people never have no future, they just lie down in a bed and sex and breed. But now under Andrew Michael Holness government, when a person reach 18 years old, if they not go college, them a go heart. If them not go heart, them a go find something on TikTok for do. Under PNP, there was nothing to do but sex and breed. Ivaldo, under PNP, there was nothing to do but sex and breed. That's why you could have fixed your mouth on my platform and I talk about under PNP. Good night, DJ Rhymes. I'm going to talk about under PNP. People used to breed up. Yes. People used to breed up under PNP because Satan find work the eyeglass to do. What else to do more than sex and breed? What else to do more than sex and breed? Now under Andrew Michael Holness, when a young girl reach 18 years old, she can go heart, she can go college, she can go call center, she can go fast food place, go work, and she can go over TikTok, go tops and roses. She not happy like down in a bed and make workless boy breed her. Eh? Yeah, she and her mama and her fiance take the same man and a breed. And that was the worthlessness under the People's National Party, Vincent. That was a worthlessness, Varro, under the People's National Party. That's where you could have come over here and tell me about under PNP, people used to have more pitney. Of course. Of course, people used to have more children under PNP because there was nothing to do. There was nothing to do more than sex and breed. What else to do? What else to do? When my mother have 8 children. My mother have 8 children. And my mother have those 8 children before she get to 40 under the People's National Party. Well, did my mother do more than sex and breed? What else? And when my sister had her first child, people are saying, yeah man, them are going to take from them mother and breed up. No. Not under Andrew Holness, Jamaica. Not under Andrew Holness. None of my sister them no breed up. None of my sister them no have 8 pitney. None of my sister them not even have 2 children. Under Andrew Holness government because them have things to do and things to keep them active. Them have jobs. Them have opportunity. Them have jobs, comrades. Them have opportunity. Under PNP time, during my mother time, there was no job. There was no opportunity. Shy. There was nothing to do. As you get to 18, you have to look for a man to help you. And when the man help you, he might go breed you. And the Andrew oldness. When you reach 18 years old, if you not have the work, you don't want work. Miguel, and the Andrew oldness Jamaica, if you get to 18 and you don't have a job and you don't want to work. Me go a KFC on the weekend and me say them are higher people. Me go Pizza Hut last night and me say them are higher people. Burger King are higher people. Go on Teddy Lee Gray page. King Alarm are higher people. Marksman are higher people. Car Center are higher people. What I mean? If any young people right now don't have a job, and them no want work. And if you don't want to work, you can go on over TikTok, go beg and tap some roses. Opportunities galore. Under Andrew Oldness government. Under PNP, there was nothing to do more than sex and breed. Under PNP, the richest of the richest have to survive. Survival of the fittest. Survival of the fittest borrow under PNP. That is why Comrade Ronnie Tweet said under PNP was the greatest transfer of wealth from the poor to the rich. Because there was nothing for poor people picnic to do under the People's National Party. Nothing. So when me see a comrade, Comrade Joy, come under my platform and I say, oh, under PNP people, you're right. You're absolutely correct. You're absolutely correct, Comrade Joy. What else to do? If you're in the rural area, all you're going to do are farm and sex. Farm and sex and breed. Nothing else. If you're in the urban area, you get one little wholesale job, a little living work helper job. That is it. Nothing else. But under Andrew Michael Oldness government, comrades, when you get to 18 years old, you can go on a heart. And if you don't have the money to go to heart, you go into the relevant authorities. You find your MP office and say, MP, me at 18, I'm want to go out, go get one skill, help me, point me to the necessary places I can go to get the help. And if you don't want to go heart, you can go and get a job. Go and get a job. Go and Teddy Lee Gray page. You see him every day. Teddy Lee Gray post and say, King Alama look worker. Every day you go over there, go look. And every KFC in a Jamaica is hiring. Every KFC in Jamaica is hiring. Every Burger King is hiring. Every Pizza Hut is hiring. Every supermarket hiring. Call center hiring. And if you don't want to work, TikTok is there. Every gas station hire. Any young people who sit down in the yard right now and say nothing now go on and they not have no job are lazy. Them lazy. And let me tell you something. If Comrade Leader Tapanari should form government tomorrow morning, he still not look pound. If Comrade Leader Tapanari's Varo should form government tomorrow morning, he still not look pound. Because remember, he said when he formed government, him and a bunch of Tapanaris are going to rule the place. And who know no Tapanaris? Remember, Skillman say Comrade Leader taking company is using $20 million to build low-income houses in the Bahamas. So that goes to show that PNP now look pound. So now better get up off on a lazy ass and go find something to do. Find a job. You now work for Andrew Wellness. You now work for yourself. Find a job. Go and go make your bro sweat. The prison, what the people them name prison warden. They're hiring prison wardener as we speak. They're hiring PCA, what is it, patient care assistant. They're hiring PCA nurses at the public hospitals. As a matter of fact, comrades, if you don't live in the western region of Jamaica, you don't go and go do a practical care assistant course. Because when Cornwall Regional open, them are going to need patient care assistant. So no go and go do a practical nursing course. You hear me? Gary, if you have any family member that is in the western part of Jamaica, tell them go and do a PCA course, a practical nursing course. Because when Cornwall Regional open and when the Children's Hospital open, they will be hiring patient care assistant nurses. So no go and go do no course. Stop make the People's National Party and the Mark Jefferson Golden distract you know. Stop buying to the lies and the propaganda. If you're from the western region of Jamaica, go and do a patient care assistant course. Okay? Because jobs will be available for you. See, Sharon Thomas say, Art, me not even know say Art do it. Art, the practical nursing, Sharon, me not even know that. You don't hear that? You don't hear that? Go to Heart and do practical nursing. Cornwall Regional and the Adolescent Children Hospital will be hiring. And you don't have to have no subject. You don't have to have any subjects to do patient care assistant. You don't have to have any subject to do practical nursing. Go to Heart and do it. Because Cornwall Regional and the Children's Hospital will be hiring a lot of you people. Okay? We'll stop make the PNP distract you know. Stop make Mark Golden and him bunch of tapanaris mislead you know. The Cornwall Regional Hospital will be opening in phases. So by November, we're going to have the first soft opening. By April, again, and by 2025, we're going to roll out. Jobs will be available. Stop make Mark Jefferson Golden and him bunch of tapanaris distract you know. If you don't live in the western area, go and do the practical nursing thing. Now, if you don't live in a Portmore area, we have good news for you. The government of Jamaica will also be hiring a lot of patient care nurses as well. And when the park is finished, we're going to need over 1,500 workers for the park. So no go and get yourself certified. Okay? You know, stop make the PNP distract you know. Because the PNP don't have nothing to offer. Absolutely nothing to offer respect. More than time come. Nothing else. Remember Mark Jefferson Golding say when the PNP form government, him and a bunch of tapanaris is gonna run the country. When you go on a art. And let me tell you something in case you don't know it. Comrades and friends, did you know that you can get work in the Caribbean with a practical nursing certificate? Eh? Did you know that you can apply for jobs in Bermuda and in BVI, Turks and Caicos, with no practical nursing certificate? Yes or no? Uno stop make Mark Jefferson Golding and him bunch of tapanaris distract uno. Jobs are available. Jobs are available. Mrs. Swissley keep him birthday party and it packed like sardine. And it wasn't free. Where people get money from. In Varo, uno said not na guana Jamaica. Uno said not na guana Jamaica. Mrs. Swissley keep him party Varo. And it packed like sardine. And it wasn't free. But yet still, uno said not na guana Jamaica. Make that make sense. Make that make sense, comrades. Varo, who do the music industry bad? Varo, you forgot say under the People's National Party, the Noise Abatement Act pass? Or you never know? In Varo, type in the chat or send more requests. Cause look like you don't know. Varo, you never know says under the PNP, the Noise Abatement Act pass. Damian Crawford, ask him. Ask him. That's the problem with doing a PNP. All of the run with is just lies and propaganda and misinformation. Oh, what you mean by the JLP do music industry bad? You forgot see under the People's National Party, the Noise Abatement Act passed, Varo? I don't remember. Let me remind you. Did you forgot say under the PNP, the act passed, where people have to turn off their party at 12 o'clock? When Damian Crawford was the minister? No skill, man. It wasn't Anjo. It was the PNP government and the poor. Let me tell you something, comrade. Don't no bother with it. Oh, no bother with it. It was under the People's National Party when Damian Crawford was there and the Portia Simpson government. The Noise Abatement Act was passed. Or amended. It passed under PJ and amended under Portia for the dance to turn off at 12 o'clock. Don't do it. Don't do it, comrade. Every law that was passed under all of the people of Jamaica was passed under the People's National Party. Every draconian law that was passed in Jamaica to all of the people of Jamaica was passed under the People's National Party. The law to turn off party at 12 o'clock, PNP. The law to charge people for use public beaches, PNP. What do you mean? The law to charge people for curse bad past stage, PNP. The law to stop and search people without probable cause, PNP. What do you mean? What do you mean? The law the law for customers, for paying customers, for pay for thieving people who are thief light, PNP. Every single law that is bad for the people of Jamaica was passed under the People's National Party. So I don't want to come out. Me tell you already, no comrades. And on every talking points, when you get from the PNP group, one must bring over here, so you know. Me tell you already. And on every talking points, when you get from Dayton Campbell up at 89 Odos Road. Here, Dancy, what about the inaccessibility? Dancy, you never hear me? That law was passed under the People's National Party. Go and Google it. Go and Google it. The law for people to pay to use the public beaches was passed under the People's National Party. PNP passed that law. So don't come here with it. Don't come here with it. Every law that is bad for the people of Jamaica was passed under the People's National Party. But what about the law for inaccessibility to beach? Google that. I give you 1,000 Canadian dollars tonight. Google that. PNP do that. The decision to pull down money from NHT to balance the budget, PNP. Yes, Dancy, PNP do that because when PJ Pattison was selling the beachfront property to the private sector, he gave them that permission. PNP, Dancy, Google it. Google it. PNP do that. Google it, Dancy. Yes, you lie me, I tell. Google it, no man. Every single law what it set back the country was passed under the People's National Party. When every single country was growing in the 90s, Jamaica was stagnant because of the policies of Percival Noel James Pattison. When every single country was booming, growing. Here Dancy say because of the previous 6 years of Edwards here. God Dancy, you look here, you know. I'm not sure I waste all my time with you. When every single country was growing, when every single country was growing in the 90s, Jamaica was stagnant under the People's National Party. Percival Noel James Pattison presides over the most corrupt government in the history of Jamaica. Percival Noel. Send me a request. Come ready, no, so you can send me a request. Don't not have to tell you no. Percival Noel James. I want this now. Damian Bartoff. I don't know Damian Bartoff. Don't try Damian Bartoff, guys. Against me better judgment, you know, because I know I'm not lucky with comrade at all. Damian Bartoff, good night.
Good night. How you doing?
I am fine.
All right. Like, I'm not a politician, you see?
But now be
Are
honest
you
with
in
you.
Jamaica?
Yeah, I'm living in Jamaica. But
Are you
listen
a
to this.
voter?
Yes, and I vote, let me see, I vote 2011, 2016, and then 2020 was the next election and the election. So that will be sixth time, right?
Right.
Yeah? With two local, three local and three big election, all right. And listen to this. Me
Mm-hmm.
grew up in our home where my mother PNP, everybody, I never vote for PNP, never ever vote for PNP. I'm being honest with you. Me never vote for PNP before. And I grew up in a home with my mother, a PNP. And the first time I ever go on a campaign, I was about 15. And that was a PNP campaign growing up. Tell the lady say you're just PNP. No, truly, just have a fucking youth. Me don't know. No, listen up. And I've never voted for PNP before in my life. I can swear upon that. But listen, you see, Andrew, he might make some whole heap of mistake. And the
Like, for
only prime
example,
minister could have
what?
listen, the only prime minister could have made me vote right now is Bruce Golding. Like
So
if
let me
he run
ask
back a
you, let
man,
me talk to you. What
yes.
are the mistakes of Andrew Holness? We could go through
All
them.
right. When he did said taxpayer gonna pay back the SSL, what do you think about that?
He didn't say that, Damien. He
Yes,
didn't say
yes.
that.
Come on. Listen, I'm a
Damien,
working first.
we're having
Listen,
a
man.
conversation. He
All
didn't
right,
say
yeah, go
that.
ahead.
What,
What did he
what,
say?
what doctor, you can go, Damien, let me tell you something. What Dr. Clark said was that the
Yeah,
money, all right, so all of the financial entities, them pay a fee to the government entity.
yes.
FSC, I think. So like they would have pay like a duty. Like if you have homeowner association and you pay $2,000 a month for living at the scheme. So that is the money where the same financial company then pay. That was the money he said he was gonna use. It wasn't taxpayer money, Damien. Trust me upon that.
So
It
wait, so
wasn't.
why reason it have to, why reason to pay them?
Because we wanted to preserve the workers them who know the system to help the investigation. The people, it wasn't taxpayer money, as me just tell you, it was it was the financial entities
All
money.
right, all right, good.
After the people and lick out and said, no, don't use that money. He said he was going to use the money what we collect from drugs dealer
All
and
right.
scammer.
So, yeah, no, no.
What is wrong with that, Damien?
All right,
Tell me.
right, all right. Why the money when we not use? Why not use to fix up the hospital them? Instead,
No,
go
that is
do
a
that.
good argument. But I
No, listen,
explained
no,
to
no,
you a while ago the reason why they
listen, no,
wanted
yes.
to pay the staff,
You
Damien,
know, say me
is
think
because they
Andrew need to
wanted
find
to keep the staff in
me
place
think
to
Andrew,
help
me
with the
think Andrew need to find someone
investigation.
advice to them when have run him though because even
Hey,
when they say
repeat.
them more real, when they more real, them pay. Them would be the highest paid climate
Repeat that.
government
No, no, no.
entity in the
Damian,
world.
Damian, 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 Damian.
Yeah.
We're now going to jump from one topic to the other. We're going to clear off this
All right.
first
Munchie,
and
I'm
then
going
we
to
go
tell
to
you
the other
Munchie. I'm
one.
going to tell you something, Munchie. Munchie, listen to this. Me have a cousin, in I'm a PNP. Me have no, where my
No,
yeah,
Damian.
listen,
Do you,
Munchie, listen,
Damian?
Munchie, listen to this, Munchie. Me have friends, family, we are PNP and we are Labourite. But I'm going to tell you this. You see, you are a Labourite. And you're going to talk for Labourite. If
No.
you're PNP, listen up. Munchie, if you're PNP, you're going to
So
talk for
Damian, if
PNP.
you
Listen
feel
up.
that way, why are you? We don't need to have a conversation then,
No,
because
not
if
listen to
everything what
Munchie.
me say, you're
Munchie.
gonna say me a
No,
talk for
I'm
labor,
talking
right?
about,
This
listen,
conversation
I'm
is not
talking
going to
in
make no sense.
general. Listen to Munchie. I'm talking in general.
No, because
I'm
I
talking in
am
general
Damian.
because
I am not
you are
talking because I'm
here.
a labor, right? I am telling you the
No,
facts.
I
It
was
wasn't
listening here
taxpayer
live.
money
All
that
right,
Dr. Clark
all right.
suggested to use.
All those laws that are passed under the PNP law, they cannot be, they can't be removed. I'm asking you.
Which law, for example, which law?
We was just talking about the cussing, the music, about music and cuss bad word for some law we just talk about. Them
Hmm.
can't, but no law can reach a car go over back.
Yeah, them have, all law is passed in the parliament, in the lower and the
But
upper house, Damian.
guess what? Me think that
And it
the
just
most
one
important
side
thing.
decide for do it, both side. Even though
Yeah,
at
but
the end of
listen,
the day, they
that's
go, it
true.
go majority go vote. And then one side they just get up and say, oh, me go
True.
pass law. Both
That,
side sit down on a committee and put things together.
me I tell you, say honestly, see the whole government, they might see thing. No matter who win,
So Damien, if you feel
have
this
to find a
way,
work. But, you know,
if you feel
no
this
matter how
way,
well
Damien,
you have to go find a work. You have to go find a work to something that to supply to maintain yourself. None of them not go hand out for you. So listen, no matter who will, you still have to go find a job.
okay, so
Nobody will
this
make it easy.
conversation.
As you don't think, as me say, maybe me not talk what you want here then.
No. What I wanted from you was to have a serious conversation because you come up here,
Yeah,
sir, and you say
you see,
why the
it seems like
government was
are you
using
delegate?
taxpayer
Are you
money to
delegate?
pay
Are you
SSL
delegate?
worker. Me
Are,
explain to
are,
you what
are you
happened, but
delegate?
you say it no matter what me tell you, you not believe. That's what you're saying, right?
No, me never say me no believe. I mean,
But I
are
am
you
telling
delegate?
you, it's not because me a labor rights, Damien. Because me born and grown in a PNP family. My mother PNP, my father PNP, my sister PNP. Every election, my mother put on her orange shirt and gone to police station Gower. So it's not because me a labor rights. I am telling you that the money that Dr. Clark suggested was not taxpayers' money. It was the
Yes.
money from the money from the people, the procedure of crime, whatever. What they
And
get from
thanks
the
to
from the drug dealer.
thanks to clear the air on that family. Thanks to clear the
So
air on
which
that
other
family.
problem you see have with Andrew Holness before you left?
The health system.
Yes.
All right, the health system is
First of
in.
all, before you tell me about the health system, how old are you?
I'm 33.
How much?
33.
Okay, so you're fairly young. So you not grew up in the
No, man, I'm
90s
not
in
fairly
the
young,
health
man. 33 I
system.
only for a year that man.
Okay, so you experienced the health system in the 90s, right? And the early
All right, man,
2000s.
listen. All right, you see, I'm sure what you want to know. You the
Mm.
keep on and go back for our PNP when I do.
Here's
Listen, no,
why,
no,
and
no,
here is
you're
why I'm doing
empowered.
that,
Make a
Damien.
difference. Make a
And
difference
here's
to
why
exactly
I'm
you.
doing
Guess
that, this,
what?
Damien. Here's why I'm doing this.
Yes.
Because if you don't remember where you come from,
Oh,
Damien,
Munchie,
you
listen to
cannot
Munchie. All
appreciate
right.
where you are
Munchie,
now.
listen,
And
listen
that
to
is the
Munchie.
problem with Uno people,
Munchie,
Damien. Uno
listen to Munchie.
ungrateful. Because when me
Munchie.
have my baby in a early 2000, Damien, a
Yes.
3 week depend the bed I have baby. Now we in Jamaica, 3 baby mother baby pan bed right now. You see when time my grandmother
Well, and
was
then,
getting her
oh,
medication
wait,
under
all
PNP,
right,
Damien, we
you know
have to
why
find
children money live on bed? Because
$20,000
the
to
baby
fill
money
our
live on the
prescription.
floor.
Under the
The
Jamaica
baby
Labour
money live
Party
on
and
the
the
floor.
NHS,
I've seen them in
$3,000 fill
the baby mother
prescription.
come
So
to
you see
bed,
the
no, but
problem
they
with
have
Uno
baby.
Damien. I mean, I understand how you talk about how you vote for Jamaica Labour Party because you not vote with facts. You just vote for JLP because you don't know why. Because you don't work with facts. Me
You
gonna
know
tell
why
you
I'm
about
good?
what happened. You tell me
Good.
about here's the problem. Yeah, go
All
back in
right,
the past.
you
You
know why
have
I'm
to go back in the past, Damien, to
all right.
appreciate where you are now.
I'm gonna say something to you. You know why I'm vote for JLP? Want me to tell you why I'm vote for JLP?
Me don't know why.
All right, let me tell you. Let me tell you why. All right, I'm from the Montego Bay area. We have a very, very, very good councillor, which is Charles Sinclair. You know, you're familiar with that name?
Yes.
Which is Charles Sinclair. And if you have more councillor like him, an MP, trust me, Labour should have never lose if you have more councillor like that man.
Okay,
And
thank
MP,
you.
and
Thank you
everybody.
for saying that. Now back to the topic.
So, all right, good.
Damien.
You want to know why you understand
What
why
is
I'm
the
voting?
problem with the healthcare
No,
system? Because
all right.
Damien, no man, Damien, we
You
go back to
understand
the
why I'm
health.
voting now?
Damien, let us go back. You're free to vote for who you want to vote for. If you don't want to vote back for the
Some
Jamaica
people
Labour
don't live
Party,
like that
it is
because
your right.
but see,
But
because
I
they are
want
good
to talk
reason.
about the healthcare system in this country. Tell me what your issue where you have with the healthcare system now. Go.
It needs fixed up because we are seeing on the internet and when if you wanna go for hospital, you take how long to get through. It not tell them they even care about them because you know why they don't care about it too? Because them are run their own private company and they want you come there. When I go there, I see them that tell them say the private company them
Thank
and
you
you get
very
through
much.
so quick.
Thank you very much. You take my point from me. And Damien, you know what? And you're going to say me I go back in my past. But Damien, me have to go back in my past because I saw one time I grew up with my mother, me the brainwash
Yeah.
and the PNP. I
But
had to do my own research. You know what, Damien?
right, but Munchi, if you're living in the past, you're not gonna go
No,
nowhere.
me not living in the past. Me use
Yes,
the
and that's
past
what
to
if you're
shape
living
my
in the past.
future. Me use
If you're
the
living in the
past as
past,
a,
you're
as a
not
way
gonna
to say,
go.
me no want to go back there,
Listen
so.
up, listen up. Munchi, if you're living in the past, Munchi, you're not gonna go nowhere.
Damien,
You have
don't
to
get it
erase the
twisted.
past and go
I do not
forward.
live in the past. I
Yes,
use my
every time
past
you can move back to the
experience
past. When people
to
bring you
guide
back to
me
the
so I do
past,
not go back in. Damien, could you please listen? Because let me
yes.
tell you something. The problem with you people, Damien, who no want to, who no expect everything. No, no, no. You want the healthcare system to fix. No, no, no. And not no work. So, Damien, you have to
But 8 years
create
is good enough.
before you
Munchie,
walk.
8 years is good enough, Munchie. 8 years is good enough. Come on.
So,
And I
so,
say
so
one thing,
eight
when people
years
say,
is
why
good enough
you
for
just so
what?
nice.
For what
Is
exactly? You remember you just tell me saying now, Damien, that the
yes.
doctors have their own a private company. What you want the government to do about that? Explain to
Me?
me.
You can't do nothing about it. Pay them better. Pay them better. Pay the teachers and
Damien,
the nurses
stop
better.
that garbage.
Pay
I'm
them
gonna pay
better.
them $1 million. They're not gonna give up them private practice.
Listen up. Listen up. All right. Pay the teachers and better. What about the
Or
teacher
you're
will
going to teach
resign
her
and
now.
nurse
You're going
and
to put
that?
healthcare system again. You're going to
And
teach her
everything
now.
we are commander. What about the
You're going to
teacher that
teach her
will resign
now.
and go?
You're going to
Pay
teach her
people the
now,
teacher that will
Damien.
resign.
You're going to put healthcare system again. Let me tell you something, Damien. When we don't understand
Listen.
the poor people.
Munchie.
And that is why I'm
Munchie.
easily distracted. Let me tell you something, Damien. Even though you're 33, you're lost. You hear me
But
tell you
no, me
something?
no laugh.
Because if
But
you are going to
Munchie.
talk about, say, healthcare system after 8 years, after the People's National Party, Damien, took
You see them
18 and a
still going in
half
the past,
years.
Munchie. All right, good.
Damien, listen. The People's
Yes.
National Party took 18 and a half years to mash up the healthcare system, to bring the healthcare system to zero. You are going to tell me, say, the government must take 8 years. Remember, we had 2 years of COVID, Damien. We had 2 years
Yes,
of
but
COVID.
Munchie,
And you are
that's why
saying,
I
no,
was saying
listen, you are saying that the government must take 6 years and fix 18 and a half years of the problem. Really? Really, Damien?
yo, but miss, listen to miss. Why you ain't go use the money give SSL? Use your fix up the
When you
healthcare
go back to
government.
SSL again,
Yeah,
is
because SSL only
Damien,
money
we
when
come back
you
to
do.
SSL again. Money is not Damien, let me explain something to you. Let me explain
Yes.
something to you. Because look at the PNP then getting your brain with SSL. Let me tell you something,
Oh,
Damien.
what's that getting on
And
the plate with
let
this?
me tell you something. Listen to me, Damien. And money is not the reason why the healthcare system is the way it is. It is the system. It
Yes.
is the system of neglect and the corruption by the doctors in the hospitals. It is the corruption from the nurses them we are take out the things that what the government are provide. It is the corruption from the doctor them when people go there, them tie out the people them for long and frustrate the people them until
All
the people
right.
them got them
Yes,
private
no.
practice. It is the
Munchie,
corruption, Damien. It is
me go
not
say one something before we
money.
move here. Me go say something before me come on because other people that they want to come and listen to take me
No,
down.
Damien, you
Alright,
lost, Papa.
alright, listen
You
up.
lost.
Munchie,
Me sorry
you know
for
what the mash up
you.
Jamaica?
And as
Guess what
you
mash
said
up Jamaica?
before, no
You know
government
what mash
can
up
help on
Jamaica?
this too. Nobody and no government alone can
Alright,
help you. You need
listen up,
divine
listen up.
intervention. Because
Munchie,
you sick in your head if you ever
let me
talk
tell
about the
you something, you
Jamaica
know.
Labour Party not doing not do nothing for healthcare
Alright,
system
Munchie, we can
after
stop
8
you, Munchie.
years. You sick in
Munchie, we
your
can
head,
stop you.
Damien.
You know what mash up Jamaica, Munchie? Guess what mash up Jamaica?
What mash up Jamaica dunce people like you? What
No,
mash up
listen up.
Jamaica dishonest people like you, Damien? What mash up Jamaica are dunce people, dishonest and ungrateful people like you, Damien? And that mash up Jamaica. The People's National Party took 18 and a half years to mash up the healthcare system in this country. And you're going to tell me that the government must take 6 years and fix it. You're going to come up about SSL. What SSL have to do with healthcare in this country? SSL is a private company, Damien. You look like you get brainwashed by the PNP. You get brainwashed, Damien. The PNP took 18 and a half years. Plus 4 years of Portia. To mash up the economy and to mash up the healthcare system. When Dr. Tufton and the team go in for renovate Cornwall Regional, it turned out to be a brand new hospital them a bill. And you can't talk about SSL. What is it with you and SSL? What is it? What is it? If you don't want to vote for the Jamaica Labour Party, Damien, keep your vote. You belong, as a matter of fact, you belong over the PNP section. You you definitely, Damien, you belong over the PNP section. Because you lost your way. SSL. But oh, the money where after me explain to you. So the money that Dr. Clark suggested wasn't taxpayer money. You ever talk about why they never use the money and fix up hospital? And the money made the hospital not fix up is the system. Damien, let me tell you something. Wait till you lose me see where you go. Let me tell you something, Damien. In case you know, let me tell you something about me. Let me tell you something, Damien. You know what? Let me leave you alone. You're a waste of time. You a waste of time. I don't understand. How is it that a private company, SSL is a private company. SSL don't have nothing at all to do with the government of Jamaica. Nothing. And you have labor right people who sit down and make PNP brainwash them. SSL. First, he start talk about SSL and taxpayer money. When me explain to him, say no taxpayer money in gone to healthcare system. When me explain to him, say the healthcare system is in shambles because of the system, not because of money. Now in gone to teachers. You know, you're confused. You're confused. Keep your vote, man. Keep your vote. You waste of time. You easily misled. You easily distracted. You weak jellyback. Because nobody, you weak jellyback. Nobody can take the green shirt off of my body, Damien. If I one labor right in a green shirt on me. If I one labor right in a green shirt, Damien and me. And even after the election comes what may, I will be wearing this green shirt coming back on TikTok. If I one labor right in a green shirt and me, I'm gonna do it for the likes. I'm gonna do it for the fame. I'm gonna do it for what me can get. Me believe in a Andrew Holness administration. Me believe in the policies of Andrew Michael Holness administration. I remember where we are come from to where we are now. I remember where we're coming from to where we are now. Me remember where we are come from. When 3 baby mother have baby pan bed. When sick people couldn't fill them prescription. When there was no theater under the PNP, when they have to use garbage bag as apron and plastic bag as gloves. Me remember those days. So if I want labor right in a green shirt, it is going to be me. Because I don't call politician when I want to cook at evening time. I don't call politician when I want to go to the supermarket. I don't call politician when I want to go, when I want to travel. Or when I'm sick. Or when I want to go to the North Coast. I don't call politician, Damien. I believe in a sweat off your brow, you shall eat bread. So if I want labor right, I go left in a green shirt after the election is over, it is going to be me. So don't worry yourself. You're going to come right back on TikTok and see MunchieB over here. Talk about, oh, SSL. What SSL have to do with the government of Jamaica? What SSL have to do with the government of Jamaica? Uno brainwash. Uno make the PNP brainwash, you know. Why the government never use the money for SSL and fix the hospital? Which hospital? Which hospital? Every hospital is being renovated as we speak. The government break ground over Spanish Town Hospital, new block are put up. The government break ground upper UWI, new block are put up. Cornwall Regional, brand new go open next week. Adolescent, brand new, and public hospital will start renovation at 2025. Which hospital you are talking about? You don't see your brainwash. You don't see your gullible. You don't see your gullible. How much health center is been built and renovated? You talk about SSL. You're sick in your head, man. You're sick in your head. You're sick in your head, Paulette. When you talk about healthcare, in the 18.5 years of PNP government has not built not one hospital. And you're going to talk about 8 years is enough for the government to fix the healthcare system. You hear that? If in the 18.5 years of PNP never built not one hospital. But in 8 years, with 2 years of COVID, the Jamaica Labour Party must fix everything quick and fast. In the 18.5 years of Percival, he never built not one hospital. 18.5 years respect, with no pandemic. The People's National Party under Percival did not fix not one hospital, did not build not one hospital. And 6 years of JLP, and we want road, we don't want water, we don't want hospital, we don't want job, we don't want every single thing. The 18.5 years of Percival, he never built not one hospital. He never built not one healthcare center. He never built not one police station. 18.5 years. 18.5 years of PNP. Nothing. And you're a well-thinking person. I will come on my platform and I tell them about 8 years past and you only should have fixed the healthcare system. Really? Really? And the PNP. And the PNP. Just in 2012. I remember what happened with Dr. Darcy in 2012. You remember, comrades? You remember what Dr. Darcy happened in 2012? Let me remind you now. Let me remind you what Dr. Darcy happened in 2012 under the PNP. Let me refresh your memory. Wait there. Oh, wait, God. You don't forget. What if we got under PNP? Dr. Darcy, a plastic bag. Plastic bag. He must use as gloves. Garbage bag. As apron. You never remember? In 2012. In 2012, comrades. All of a sudden, you want everything to fix right now. You want everything to fix right now. Where were you under the 18.5 years of Percival? Where were you? Under the 18.5 years of Percival, where were you? If you don't want to vote for the Jamaica Labour Party, you don't have to vote. Your one vote now make we lose. Because you don't have no standard, no credibility, and no sense. You don't have no sense. You easily brainwash. You easily misled. You easily distracted. You easily the only people who are buy a squeeze a toothpaste palette are the people in a jungle. The only people who are buy a squeeze a toothpaste are the people in a pain land. The only people who are buy a squeeze a toothpaste right now, comrade, are the people in a Craig Town. The only people who are buy a squeeze a toothpaste are the people in a Riverton. No well-thinking, sensible Jamaican people now buy a squeeze a toothpaste. That's a PNP mentality. That's a PNP nastiness. That's a PNP style. PNP style that. No ambitious, well-thinking Jamaican now buy a squeeze a toothpaste. No way. Only PNP do that, Rico. Nobody in no PNP. I can put that. You can put that in your pipe and smoke that. Only PNP people on a Riverton dump. I buy a squeeze a toothpaste. Only PNP people down a jungle. I buy a squeeze a toothpaste. Only PNP people down a Riverton dump. I buy a squeeze a toothpaste. Only PNP people down a Painland, I buy a squeeze of toothpaste. No, down a Waterhouse, I buy a squeeze of toothpaste. No well-thinking Jamaican Dancy, now I buy a squeeze of toothpaste. No way. I 150 for a small little toothpaste downtown. 150, $70 for a little toothpaste through the market. Only the people's non-progressive party, I do that. Only the people's non-progressive party. I do that. Nobody. No squeeze a toothpaste. Adela Creek Park. Me go see people buy Highland League. You know me under the PNP Selena. We used to buy Big Jill Isle. A PNP and a PNP government. People are package Big Jill Isle and I sell it. And I put down a little cup, one little plastic so we can tear off the top. And a PNP. And the PNP chosen, we know say fish are back. And the PNP, we see the little round container with the little Big Jill Isla sell. PNP bring that in. PNP, half a soap, PNP, fish back, PNP, chicken neck, PNP. And the People's National Party. Chicken strip. When you cook down in a pot as chicken stew, when you cook it mash up like a soup. PNP. Under the People's National Party. Fish cut. PNP. 2 slices of bread. PNP. Only on the People's National Progressive, Non-Progressive Party, people live so. Only on the People's Non-Progressive Party, Barrow, people live so. Under the Jamaica Labour Party, we believe to teach a man to fish. So he can have a fish for the rest of his life. Under the People's National Party, who don't believe if you give a man a handout so he can beg for the rest of his life.
Good night. Good night.
Good night, Paulette.
I hear you talk about that your mother was a PNP. Well, I can
Still
tell
a
you.
PNP, still.
You know who I am? I am the
Still.
grandniece of Edwin Leopold Allen.
You could have been the niece of
a
Jesus.
member of Parliament for
What
the
is your
Ministry
point?
of Education. Listen to me, I'm
What
talking
is your
now.
point? You don't need to tell me your history. What is your point?
Yes, because you talk yours. Be very courteous. Because when
This
you go
is my
on Dre
platform,
Bryan,
you know, ma'am.
when
So
the
if you come up here, you
GLP
come
cover
to challenge
Dre
me to what
Bryan,
you
he
say.
allows them to talk. So we need the same courtesy from
No,
you.
not really, not really. It's up to
Oh,
me. It's up to
yeah,
me.
so you wanna to muzzle us? You
No,
wanna put a
I
gag
want to
on
come
my
and
mouth?
challenge me on my point. You don't have to tell me your family history.
Okay, I have to introduce myself so you know
And
where
you know
I'm coming
what?
from.
All right, maybe you know.
Under the
Introduce
People's
yourself.
National
I apologize.
Party.
I apologize. Paulette, introduce yourself.
Yes, I am the grandniece of Edwin Leopold Allen. the Minister of Education for the Peoples, for the Jamaica Labour Party. 2 boys in the 60s, after the father is a campaign manager, which is my grandfather, decided, you know why? Under the Jamaica Labour Party that you don't know nothing about. Because you don't know nothing. Because I'm going to give you the history now.
Stop,
I'm going to give
Paul,
you history.
stop.
You don't know nothing because you're going in the past. I'm going to go in the past. You are going in the past and talking about 18 years.
Stick up in, Paulette. When my platform is to talk about Andrew Michael Holness and the policies of Andrew Holness, I don't want to hear nothing about Edwin Allen. I don't want to hear nothing about Edward Siaga. I don't want to hear nothing about Michael Manley. If me want to talk about those persons, me go for Dorland and the people that was born in the 60s. I was born in the late 1980s and I can talk about Percival and Portia. So if you ever go back in the 1960s, you have to come down. Okay? If you have to go back in the 1960s and the 1970s and the 1980s, you have to come down. Percival, Portia, and Andrew, and Bruce. That is where me think they go on and come back. Look at your pause. Read and come again. Percival, Dancy, Percival, Portia, Andrew, and Bruce. I don't want to hear nothing about Edwin Allen. I don't want to hear nothing about Edward Siaga. I don't want to hear nothing about Michael Manley because I don't have the history on them, the people there. I have to go for Dorland Silvera. How many name? Dorland. Where my name? Dorland Francis and Chopper that were born in those days. Talk to me about Percival who sold all our assets. Talk about Percival, who sold all our assets. Talk about Portia Simpson Miller, who used with money to buy Outameni and Trafigura and the Jeep. That is what we're talking about. That is what we're talking about. Don't come back and tell me about Edwin Allen, because I know Edwin Allen from nowhere. I don't know Edwin Allen from nowhere. I have to go for Dorland. And I think Dorland asleep now. You want to talk about Andrew? Yes, if you want to talk about Andrew, come. You're welcome to talk about Andrew Michael Holness. Come. Andrew Michael Holness. I am an Andrew Michael Holness Labourite. And I am talking about what happened under Percival, what happened under Portia, and what is now happening under Andrew Michael Holness. If you want to hear about Edwin Allen and Edward Siaga and Michael Manley, me for either go for my husband or go for Dorland Francis, because them born at them time. They me no born at them time. You go come out, you are Edwin and look like your family promises something you not get it. Look like your family promise a piece of family land and you not get it. You turn for your family because you don't get family land in Palette. Look like you turn for your family Palette because you don't get the family land. Look like say then cut off Paulette name off of the will. So she turned upon the family labor rights. That must that. You know why you're not about the Jamaica Labour Party of the 60s? Because Jamaica Labour Party of the 60s and the 70s is not the Jamaica Labour Party of 2024. Bruce Golden has moved the party from the right and to the center. So now we have an Andrew Holness administration, and that is what we're talking about tonight. Bruce Golden has moved the Jamaica Labour Party from the right to right of the center. We are now in the middle, and Andrew Holness is the party that we know and support and love. So if you want to talk about Andrew Holness, send me a request. Don't go tell me about Edwin friggin' Allen. Okay? Alright. Where are the comrades? I was going to school. Yes, Paulette, you can pick Paulette. You can pick it up from Percival. I don't want to hear about Edwin Allen. I don't want to hear about Papa Eddie. I don't want to hear about Reckless Manley. Because everything when me go talk about them people, I want me hear about. and a first-hand knowledge. We want to talk about Percival. We can talk about Percival. Okay? Percival. Percival, who sold every single state asset. No, you're not. You come about, you say, let me tell you about the party of this, the Jamaica Labour Party of which you know nothing about. You are correct. Come in and know nothing about the Jamaica Labour Party of the 60s and the 70s. I know about the Jamaica Labour Party of Bruce Orrick Golding and Andrew Michael Holness. That is what we know about. Bruce Orrick Golding and Andrew Michael Holness.